Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Grey Wolf 18RR. This camper comes in at 24 feet 1 inch and weighs right at 4,700 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime if you're hooking up. We have two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. We have your hard shell cover with the quick access lid. Behind me here we have your diamond plate rock guard with the curved radius front end. Up front, we have your storage compartment with the magnetic door latch. Nice and easy to use. Lots of storage up front here. We have the built-in LED light in the storage compartment as well. Up front, we have an LP quick disconnect. So if you take a portable gas grill with you, you can tap right into the gas on the camper and utilize that. We have it equipped with power jacks. There's going to be a switch underneath, and how that works, you hold the switch down. One leg will come down and hit the ground first, then the other one comes down, and they will equal out in pressure. Power awning, where each leg is adjustable, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. We have your blue LED accent light underneath the awning. Up top, we have a vent, so you can get cross ventilation as you're traveling down the road if you're hauling anything with fumes inside. Oversized grab handle to help you in and out. Full-size black tempered glass entrance door, has the integrated window and full-size screen door as well. Sturdy steps getting in where each leg is adjustable. And we also have the wolf head emblem cut out here. Outside entertainment system with your speakers that light up blue. We have your TV connections and then your TV bracket right here. It's the same bracket on the inside. You simply lift your TV up, bring it out here and drop it in. This camper also has the adventure package, giving it a 2-inch lift, diamond plate along the bottom here. And you'll notice that we have the off-road tires. The center cap is popped off. All 4 wheels have electric brakes. And we also have this tire pressure monitoring system here, and how that works. The side of that will turn red if you're low on air. So we'll unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. We are pet friendly here. We have your leash latch so the furry family members can tag along as well. Here's your other vent for that ventilation as you're going down the road, keeping the fumes out. Back here we have the patio system all set up for you to view. Up top we have that bright LED light. There is a backup camera already included. There's a screen wall that you can roll down to help keep the air in and the bugs out. And also a moonshade. You'll notice it hanging up on the sidewall there. Just inside, essentially it's a large canopy that you can use to cover the deck here to keep the sun out. As we move to the other side, up top it is prepped for a roof ladder where you could buy a telescoping ladder separately. Down here we have your water fill station. On the left-hand side is your fresh water. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, you'd fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump and use that water. Over here we have your city water, so if you're at a campground, you simply hook up your water hose and that'll pressurize the lines for you. Here we have your furnace vent. Underneath they will have a sewer hose holder as well. This is a 30 amp unit and it will come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. Up front here we have your outside shower with hot and cold water. That is a low pressure spray port. We have your black tank flush, so when you're done camping for the week or weekend, hook your water hose up here and that'll clean out the black tank for you. Cable connection, so if the campground offers that, you can tap right into it. And then here we have this nice bright LED light. There's a switch out here and a main switch inside as well for that. Down below, we have your gray handle for your gray tank and black handle for your black tank. And last but not least, up front here, we have your on-demand water heater. It is a tankless system, so it's gas only, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water, so about 60% more efficient than what we used in the past. And that'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 18RR, and now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice the tie-down brackets go all the way up to the front here. So when you're loading in your motorcycle or ATV, you can pull it all the way in. We have your queen mattress up front and the bathroom directly across when walking in. Here we'll get a nice overview of the camper. We have your kitchen over on the right-hand side. Your booth dinette over here. A couple large picture windows. And we'll go ahead and get started right inside. Up top, we have your vent. Down below is your main control panel, where you can see how full your tanks are. Turn on your water pump. There's also 12-volt heating pads on your holding tank, so you could turn those on and off. And then your light switches, and to run your awning in and out there. We have a 110 outlet directly underneath that. Again, with these two large windows, another 110 outlet there. Here we have your bench seating with the removable table. So that table is nice. You can take it out to the porch or outside as well. Over in the far left corner, you'll notice that we have the moonshade tucked away. Up on the ceiling, lots of LED lights throughout. Really brighten this thing up. You can see the two interior speakers and the subwoofer in the middle that light up blue. We have your screen wall, which will roll down. And then a look at the patio system from in here. Really helps open everything in and let in a lot of extra sunlight. Up in the top corner over here, we have your stereo, which is AM, FM, and Bluetooth compatible, so you can sync your phone to it and play music that way. Overhead storage with the glass fronts, giving it a nice home feeling. Range vent that will vent to the outside. Really large kitchen window that goes the full length here, and two 110 outlets over here on the side. With the sink area, we have your cup rinsing station on the left, the high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer. We have your soap dispenser built in on the right-hand side, and then the sink itself has a lot of attachments that come with it. You have the cutting board, a drying rack, and then a couple different strainers as well. But you'll notice that is a large single bowl sink there, farmhouse style. On the left-hand side, we have a couple storage drawers. This bottom one will open up, and you'll see it has an integrated trash can already. And then, of course, we have some storage underneath the kitchen sink here. Down below, we have your furnace. Right up above that, we have your microwave, which is also a convection oven and an air fryer all in one. 3-burner stove with the glass cover, so you can utilize that as prep space if you are not cooking. Next up, we have your refrigerator. It is the 12-volt fridge. We currently have 200 watts of solar already mounted on the roof, so you can run this while traveling down the road. This is the dual swing door up here on the refrigerator, so you can open it from both sides. And then the freezer is going to be a drawer down below here that pulls straight out. You have a sliding drawer up top and the freezer section down below. And underneath that, we have your breakers and fuses over on the left-hand side. A voltmeter to keep an eye on your battery since we have that 200 watts of solar. A 12-volt cutoff switch. Next up, we have your pantry, which will go all the way up to the ceiling. You'll notice it's open at the bottom. Lots of shelves inside here. Tons of storage. Over here, we're going to have your TV connections up on the ceiling. We have your TV bracket on the wall here. Thermostat for your furnace. And CO2 detector down below. And then right in front of that, we're going to have your bathroom. And up front here, we have your main bedroom area. We have your oversized queen mattress. This 110 outlet over here looks a little bit different. That has a built-in inverter. So as you're traveling down the road, if you pull over to a rest stop, you can turn that on and have 110 power to that outlet, even if you're not plugged in. Here we have hanging storage off to the right. Another TV connection up top, so you can add a TV on the wall here at the foot of the bed. Storage up top. Decorative wallboard up there. And of course, the comforter is included as well. And then you get a window up by the head of the bed. There is also a privacy curtain that you can pull across in the bed area. Moving into the bathroom, directly inside we have your toilet. And then right up above that, we have some storage. Bathroom sink, lots of counter space here as well. We have your medicine cabinet. Over to the right of the medicine cabinet, you're going to have a 110 outlet, a light switch, and then right up above that is your thermostat for the on-demand water heater. That way you can turn that on and off and adjust the temperature of the water itself. Up top, we have the large exhaust fan that is a multi-speed vent fan here. Over above the shower, it is equipped with a skylight. Of course, the shower curtain that you can pull across as well. Tub surround, which goes all the way around here. And you have the handheld sprayer with hot and cold water down below. And a nice size rectangle shower pan here. So plenty of space in the shower. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 18RR. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.